guys! Good morning! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we'll have a food review. This is a food review or mukbang of this. This is a big cookie, monster cookies, and then we also have here a cinnamon rolls. So this is from Mami Agnes Villegas. We ordered this yesterday, and then ngayon titikman natin. We'll do a taste test for this foods. So again, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly hit on the bell icon to subscribe now for more videos like this. Thank you. So let's start with the cinnamon rolls. Ayan, no? So this is 300 pesos for 6 pieces of cinnamon rolls. Tapos, we'll try and check and do a taste test dito. Yeah. We'll taste one piece of the cinnamon roll.
Or one box.
Later, one box. Pasensya na sa mga ano, diba? Mga boys kayo naririnig dyan. Andito ang mga ka-farmville natin. Wait, hindi ko mabuksan eh. Wait lang. Ayan, so nabuksan na natin siya, guys. Ito na yung cinnamon rolls. Dami, ang laki niya.
Compared to your hands.
Buksan na natin. Thank you.
Friend, that's best with coffee.
Nga, it's best with coffee. Wala akong coffee eh. Hindi rin ako coffee lover. Sorry.
You should have served it earlier.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Ayan siya, oh guys. So, ang laki. By the way, the 6 pieces, 300 pesos. Pero sobrang sulit ka na. Kasi sarap daw
Sarap
siya.
ng frosting.
Mga tiga, like Starbucks, mga ganun. So, let's taste.
Use your fork.
Use myself? Use my fork?
You don't have a fork?
I'll try to get this one piece muna.
Here. Can't you wait for it?
Ayun siya, guys. So, if you see, guys, eto siya, oh.
Well, may pa-orange ano.
I think this is the orange rolls. Orange rolls. So, yung nabuksan natin, ito yung orange rolls. By the
So,
way,
this is not the
etong
cinnamon?
isa, this is the cinnamon. Looks yummy, no? So, let's try to taste it. Let's do a taste test. Guys, masarap. May mga nakikimukbang na rin po dito. Dito naman kayo, guys.
Ang sarap.
Ang sarap. Mami, ang sarap ditong orange rolls, ha? Sarap ng orange rolls.
Tinatapan nila ito, dahil na yan.
Also, we have here, ito, the giant cookies.
That's monster!
Giant monster cookies. Ayun, no? Na may mga choco bits sa ibabaw. Ayun, no? Choco blocks. Ayan. Sarap. By the way, I'll rate the items later on. After. Hi. That's Tony. This Peppa Pig namin.
Ito? Sarap mo? Sarap na, friend.
Sarap siya, mami.
Let's go grab coffee. Again.
So, we'll check this. Tignan nyo naman. This is 150 pesos for 3 pieces of this giant.
And it's thick.
It's really thick. Sila ko yung ilong ko.
Ew.
Big, giant cookies.
Cookie ng mo.
Ang laki ng black ng chocolate. Oh. Sarap. Ito. Let's taste. Oh my God.
Iba ng taba mo.
Ang sarap niya, guys. Hindi tinipid, wala.
Walang ganun,
Sobrang-
Mars.
Ginastusan.
Kita niyo yan? Bloke ng tsokolate.
Laki ng
Ang
Hindi
ilalim.
ko kami inalim.
Hanggang ilalim, hanggang loob.
Yeah.
Ang dami, oh. Sobrang sarap. Maraming. Pan-level. Ang sarap nito. Pag yung orange rolls. Sobrang sarap niya, mami. Ang sarap niya. Hello, say hi, Roam. Birthday girl.
Sarap.
Sarap. Ang yummy, mami A. Salamat. At mga cookies tsaka yung orange rolls.
Saan orange roll, friend?
Orange.
So if I'm gonna rate this item, yung orange rolls, I'm gonna rate it siguro out of 10. I'll give it a 9.5 out of 10. Sarap. And the cookies, these cookies, I'm gonna rate it 10 out of 10. Ang sarap kasi talaga nito. Hindi lipid. Ayan. So that ends our food tasting dito sa
That ends the food tasting, but
for the orange
We're
rolls
not
and the
done
cinnamon
eating.
rolls and the giant cookies. So again, thank you for watching my channel. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly hit on the bell icon to subscribe now. And thank you so much again, guys, for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye for now. Bye-bye.